Hey everyone, so when you get to AIMSweb Plus and you log in, you'll see this screen. I'm going to create a survey level assessment for my student Edward Eagle. So I'm going to come over here to the student search. I already have it populated for us. So when I get here, I'm going to click that eye icon for more information. We see here are Edward's initial scores. And when I click in the drop down menu, I'm going to go down and click Survey Level Assessment down here. It's that very bottom one on the screen. You'll see there are no current measures found for Edward Eagle. If I click New, and then up in that top right corner, then I can come down and look at all the different measures I have. You should have a cheat sheet that has a list of what these acronyms stand for. For the ORF, you can't assign it until you are ready to administer it, since it's administered one-on-one. But like the number sense fluency and SF, you'll notice the lowest grade it can go to is 8, and the highest it can go to, or lowest grade it can go to is 2, sorry, and the highest grade it can go to is 8. So I can choose one of those. I'll choose 5th grade, and it's going to choose Form 14. That's not really relevant to you at this time because it's not anything you have to worry about, since this is an assignment that they will be doing when they log into the computer. And then we just click Assign, and says the assignment was created successfully. There you saw that it populated. Just like when you do the benchmark comparison assessments, you have to actually turn on their ticket after you assign it. So I click that blue ticket and click Unlock. And you'll see then it changed to green and it's ready for them to fill out. I hope this was helpful in creating a survey level assessment. Please reach out if you have any questions.